How to delete or uninstall your blockchain application from iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete or uninstall your blockchain application. If you are using iPhone and you want to delete your blockchain application, what you can simply do is simply head over to your settings, and inside settings just search in for apps and just head over to this option, that is offload an unused application. And it's probably under this section the application that is probably used for the most of the time. So blockchain is also one of them, so simply click on it, and from over here what you can simply do is you can either offload, or what offload basically does is this will free up your storage used by the app but keeps its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in your app store. So if you want to delete your application completely, simply click on this delete application and just hit the delete button over here, and your app will be successfully deleted just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.